Hey garden enthusiast! Did you know that a simple bar of Irish Spring soap can be your secret weapon in the garden? Beyond its fresh scent and cleaning power, this humble soap holds the key to a happier, healthier garden. From keeping rodents at bay to creating a more fertile soil, let's dive into some clever ways to use Irish Spring soap in your garden. Say goodbye to garden pest. Irish Spring soap can be a game changer when it comes to protecting your plants from those pesky rodents who fancy a nibble. Start by cutting the soap into small chunks or grating it. Then pop these pieces into mesh bags or old pantyhose and hang them near your plants around the garden's edge. This affordable trick works wonders thanks to the soap's strong scent, which rodents find off-putting. And for those battling rats or mice, try placing soap chunks near burrow entrances or garden entry points. The powerful aroma will send them scurrying in the other direction. Deer, beware. Keep your garden safe. But it's not just the little critters Irish Spring can handle. It's great for deterring deer too. Simply hang bars of the soap on garden fences or stakes surrounding your plants. Using twine or wire, suspend them at deer head height to create a fragrant barrier that keeps deer from getting too curious about your greens. This way, your cherished plants stay safe and untouched. Create an insect-free oasis. And let's not forget about the bugs. Finding your plants damaged by insects can be disheartening, but Irish Spring offers a solution here as well. For a non-toxic approach to keeping crawling insects at bay, rub a bar of soap on the lower leaves and stems of your plants. This acts as a natural barrier. After rainfall, make sure to reapply to keep its effectiveness. Or for broader protection, dissolve small soap chunks in water, pour it into a spray bottle, and mist your plant leaves. This soapy shield helps deter aphids and other pests without harming your plants. Squirrel-Proof your bird haven. Shield your bird feeders. Having a bird feeder is fantastic until squirrels start hogging all the goodies. Luckily, there's a simple solution to protect the birds and their snacks. Just hang bars of Irish Spring soap near your feeders with some twine or hooks. Place them just close enough to be effective, but far enough so squirrels can't reach. Birds won't mind the scent, but squirrels, they'll think twice before coming near. Keep your compost fresh and fragrant. Banish odors. Maintaining a compost heap is brilliant for both your garden and the environment, though the smell can sometimes be less than brilliant. Here's an easy fix. Sprinkle some Irish Spring soap shavings into your compost. It'll not only keep odors at bay, but also discourage unwanted critters from rummaging through. Just mix it with your kitchen scraps and yard waste for a noticeably fresher compost pile. Guard your roses against aphids with Irish Spring. Discovering aphids on your roses can really dampen your gardening spirits. But fear not. A simple solution awaits with Irish Spring soap. Here's what to do. Dissolve some small soap chunks in water and pour the mixture into a spray bottle. A gentle misting over your rose leaves will send these aphids packing without causing any harm to your beloved blooms. Remember, once the aphids have bid adieu, give the leaves a soft rinse with water to keep them in tip-top shape. Feline-free flower beds. Keep curious cats at bay. If neighborhood cats are treating your garden like their personal playground, it's time to introduce them to the scent of Irish Spring. Grate a bar of this strongly scented soap and sprinkle it around your flower beds. Cats dislike the fragrance and will think twice before using their garden as their litter box again. It's a simple and humane way to keep your green space pristine. Freshness in every drawer. Transform closets and drawers. Say goodbye to musty smells in your wardrobes, drawers, and closets. Placing a bar of Irish Spring soap in these places can infuse your clothing with a fresh, invigorating aroma. Just cut a bar in half, wrap it in wax paper, and tuck it into a corner of your cupboard or drawer. It's a hassle-free trick for keeping your garments smelling clean and refreshing. Stinky shoes no more. Welcome freshness with every step. It happens to the best of us. No matter how clean we keep our feet, our shoes eventually start to harbor a not-so-pleasant aroma. But here's a secret weapon against smelly shoes: Irish Spring soap. Tuck a small piece into each shoe to combat odors and absorb moisture. Imagine sliding your feet into shoes that greet you with the crisp, refreshing scent of Irish Spring, instead of the reminder of yesterday's journey. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your footwear smelling great. A pest-free paradise for your pets. Goodbye, fleas. Your furry friends deserve to be comfortable and pest-free, and Irish Spring soap offers an affordable and gentle solution. Whether giving your cat or dog a bath with soapy water made from dissolved Irish Spring, or using a homemade spray solution, a 1:2 soap-to-water ratio, you can keep fleas at bay without harsh chemicals. The pleasant scent and glycerin in the soap act as a natural deterrent for pests, ensuring your pets are happy and comfortable. Breathe easy with natural room freshness. Tired of artificial scents and looking for a way to keep your living spaces smelling clean and fresh? Look no further than a bar of Irish Spring soap. Its clean, invigorating scent serves as the perfect alternative to chemical-laden air fresheners. Just place a bar in your desired room and let its natural aroma create a welcoming and toxin-free environment. It's an effortless way to maintain a fresh and inviting atmosphere in your home. Fortify your fortress against insects. Create an invisible shield. Even the cleanest homes can attract unwanted guests like ants and mosquitoes. But here's a refreshing strategy. The potent aroma of Irish Spring soap can send them packing. By rubbing soap shavings along windowsills, doorways, or even on outdoor furniture, you create a fragrant barrier. This ingenious approach masks the pheromone pests used to navigate, keeping them well away from your cozy nooks. Embrace this affordable, eco-friendly tactic to protect your home and garden from creepy crawlies without resorting to harsh chemicals. Moth-proof your wardrobe, guard your garments. Tired of finding moth-induced havoc in your wardrobe? Irish Spring soap offers a wonderfully scented solution. Stashing bars of this soap in closets, drawers, or storage boxes can keep those fabric-munching moths at bay. Its robust scent acts as a natural repellent, ensuring your clothes stay hole free and fresh. Transition from pungent mothballs to the clean, lively aroma of Irish Spring, and keep your cherished outfits and delicate fabrics safe and sound. No more foggy mirrors, clear views ahead. Picture this. Stepping out of a hot shower only to be greeted by a fogged-up mirror. Annoying, right? Fear not, for Irish Spring soap holds the key to maintaining a crystal-clear reflection. Simply glide a bar of soap over your mirror and buff it away to leave a faint, invisible film. This soap layer magically repels bathroom condensation, ensuring your mirror remains fog-free, even after these steamiest showers. Say goodbye to the frustration of foggy mirrors with this simple, effective hack. Smooth operator. Say goodbye to stuck zippers. There's nothing quite as frustrating as a zipper that just won't zip, whether it's on your favorite pair of jeans, a backpack, or your trusty luggage. But don't fret, Irish Spring soap is here to save the day. A little rub of the soap along the zipper's teeth can work wonders thanks to its lubricating oils. This quick fix will have your zipper sliding smoothly in no time, making it a perfect hack for those on-the-go moments without leaving any mess behind. Crafty marking. Precision in every project. Imagine having a handy marking tool that's always within reach, especially during those spur-of-the-moment DIY projects or home improvements. Irish Spring soap, with its slightly waxy texture, is fantastic for making precise marks without the commitment. It's easily wipeable, meaning you can adjust your plans without leaving a trace. This little soap bar might just become a permanent fixture in your toolkit. Picture perfect walls. Nail it without the damage. Planning to hang a new picture or mirror but worried about damaging your pristine walls? Grab a bar of Irish Spring soap for a damage-free solution. Coating your nail with soap before you start hammering not only makes the process smoother, but also minimizes the risk of unsightly chips or cracks. This soap trick ensures that your walls stay as perfect as your decor. Stain savvy. Rescue your favorite outfits. Spilled wine on your new blouse? Before you panic, grab your trusty bar of Irish Spring soap. A quick pre-treatment with this soap can work wonders on those daunting stains. Rub a bit on the spot before you throw it in the wash. The soap's powerful enzymes and surfactants are excellent at breaking down the toughest of stains, boosting your laundry's cleaning power. Save your clothes and your wallet with this natural stain-fighting solution. Itch relief. Nature's nuance neutralizer. Whether it's a mosquito's parting gift or an encounter with poison ivy, itchy skin can turn outdoor fun into frustration. But don't let it dampen your day. Irish Spring soap has got your back. Just rub a wet bar in the affected area for instant relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the itch, making it a must-have for hikers, gardeners, and nature lovers alike. Quiet down. Silent squeaky doors. That persistent squeak every time you open the door can be maddening. Before you rush out for WD-40, try a slice of Irish Spring soap. Apply it directly to the problematic hinge, then open and close the door a few times to work it in. The soap acts as a makeshift lubricant, providing you with immediate, if temporary, relief from the noise. It's the perfect quick fix for when you need a moment of peace and quiet. With these ingenious hacks centered around Irish Spring soap, you're well on your way to discovering the multifaceted benefits of this household staple. From fixing squeaky hinges to deterring garden pests and now to transforming kitchen cleanup, Irish Spring soap proves its versatility and value time and time again. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these hacks and which ones you're eager to try out. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in. Please be well, be wise, and take care.